In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off promotions in Gmail. If you're looking to declutter your inbox view and prioritize the emails that matter most to you, this is a fantastic way to start. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily make your inbox neater and more organized. First, you'll need to head over to your Gmail account. Once you've logged in and are looking at your inbox, take a glance towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the familiar gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on that to access the Quick Settings menu. As you open this menu, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the variety of options presented. But don't worry, I'll guide you through this smoothly. In the Quick Settings menu, you'll find an Inbox Type section. It's important to ensure that you're set to the default view, as this will allow us to customize what we see best. Right next to the default text, you'll notice a Customize button. Click on this button to move forward with tailoring your inbox view. Once you've clicked Customize, a new window will appear, presenting you with various checkbox options. Here lies the magic, a series of categories that you can choose to display or hide from your main inbox view. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Promotions. To turn off promotions and achieve a cleaner look, simply uncheck the box next to Promotions. This action tells Gmail that you no longer want these promotional emails cluttering up your primary inbox space. After you've unchecked promotions, make sure to hit the Save button. This step is critical because it confirms your changes and tells Gmail to apply them to your account. Without saving, your adjustments won't take effect, and those pesky promotions will keep popping up. Once saved, you should immediately notice the difference as your promotional emails will be neatly tucked away from your primary view, allowing you to focus on emails that are more important and relevant to you. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully customized your Gmail inbox to remove promotional emails from sight. This simple change ensures a more streamlined and less distracting email experience, making it easier for you to manage your correspondence efficiently. Remember, keeping your inbox organized is an ongoing process, so feel free to revisit these settings whenever you need to tidy up your email life. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clutter-free Gmail inbox.